Hey guys, Lucas here at Vintage Surplus, and today we're going to take a look at a vintage compact first aid kit that's still good for everyday use. Alright, so what we got here is an old school Alice first aid kit pouch. So it's just the pouch, nothing inside there that you're going to get when you buy this, just to make that clear. But yeah, so it's just your old school nylon, so it's water resistant, so that's nice. So if it's just a light rain or something like that, whatever you keep inside there is not going to get soaked instantly. And on the back, it's Alice. Got your 2 Alice clips. Now, Alice clips help because any normal belt you're gonna wear, just normal wear, for hiking, out and about, out in town, Alice clips fit over that. So if you are wearing this out, going camping, day trip out in the mountains or the park, whatever need be, and you want to carry a first aid kit, this is good to go because you can just put on your backpack straps or your belt. So how does it work? Pretty much just a simple button snap flap. Inside, I got an old bandage just to kind of show you the size of stuff you can fit in there. So any of your run-of-the-mill, like Walmart, whatever first aid kits you buy, I just got Band-Aids, some simple things in there. Those little boxes that come in are probably gonna fit just great in here, or you can break it down to a baggie, fold it up real nice and put it in there. And you got a really good way to carry that in a separate area other than the bottom of your backpack by accident. That's easy to get to. So again, button snap, they're gonna come off real easy, but keep your stuff really secure. And you can fit, most of your generic first aid kits right in here. Most of other modern medical supplies, your Israelis, your ETDs, tourniquets, it's not going to fit in here real well because it is kind of a small square form or rectangle form. But any of that simple stuff is going to fit in there. So your little bandages, gauze, tape, all that, real good and easy in here. And it also makes it good for just a little general purpose pouch to hold small things in when you're traveling, just keep things organized. If you have stuff that's loose in here, do know that the sides are open. It isn't closed fully, even when kind of expanded out. So if you have small loose things in here, first aid supplies, whatever need be, they can fall out if they're jumbled around. So, a box to go in there is best. And in fact, when these were issued out, the first aid kit that came with it was in a little plastic box that went inside. So you had a rigid case that kind of filled out the pouch, and the pouch carried that rigid case with your first aid supplies. So yeah, cool little first aid pouch. Good for your run-of-the-mill first aid kits. So hey guys, hope you enjoyed this video. There's definitely good little first aid pouches for your run-of-the-mill first aid kits like we talked about. If you just need a little first aid pouch to carry it, this is a good one to go with. So make sure you head on VintageSurplus.com, check these out, check out all the supplies we got you can put in there, and sign up for our email list so you can see twice a week our latest and greatest. Make sure leave a comment and subscribe as well.